Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to know if your car has a vacuum leak. So on a cold start, when you start your car, your revs will go up to about 1000. That's normal. What's not normal is if you put it into drive, say within 1 or 2 seconds, what will either happen is it'll completely cut off the engine, or the RPMs will drop down crazily. That's how you know you have a vacuum leak. And yeah, that's from the inside of the car you can tell if you have a vacuum leak or not. It usually doesn't give you an error code or anything unless it's a serious vacuum leak. I'm guessing this is just like a crack in a hose somewhere, so I'll have to have a look, but I'll try to demonstrate it to you guys if it works, hopefully. I mean, I don't know. Yeah. So if I put it into drive now, oh, you see it's already going a bit crazy. Can you see, stalling out like, oh, do you see that? Oh dear, that's very rough then. So yeah, that's how you know you have a vacuum leak. As you can tell, it drops so hard, it's crazy guys. Alright guys.